If PowerPoint is showing error 44 when you try to insert or play a media file, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step. This error usually happens because the file format isn't supported, the media link is broken, or your computer is missing the right codec. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, check the media format. Open File Manager and find the video or audio file that you're trying to use in PowerPoint. Right-click the file and select Properties. Here, look at the file type and extension. You may see something like .mov, .avi, .wmv, or another format. PowerPoint works best with supported formats, and if your file is in an unsupported format, that can trigger error 44. If the file type is not ideal for PowerPoint, the next step is to convert it. Now let's convert the file into a format PowerPoint handles much better. For video, MP4 is usually the safest choice. For audio, MP3 or WAV are the most reliable options. Open your browser and go to a cloud file converter like Cloud Convert. Upload your file, then choose the output format you need. If it's a video, select MP4. If it's audio, choose MP3 or WAV. Click Convert and wait for the process to finish. Once the conversion is complete, download the new file to your computer. Then go back to PowerPoint and insert the converted file again. In many cases, this alone will fix the problem because PowerPoint can now read the media correctly. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to check is the file location. PowerPoint can sometimes break media links if the file is moved after being inserted. To prevent that, keep your PowerPoint file and your media file in the same folder. Find the PowerPoint presentation, then copy the video or audio file and paste it into that same folder. After that, open PowerPoint again and insert the media from that folder. This helps make sure the link stays connected and prevents broken file path issues later on. Another possible cause of error 44 is a missing codec. A codec is what helps your computer read and play certain media files. If PowerPoint can't decode the file properly, it may throw an error even if the file looks normal. To fix this, open your browser and search for K-Lite Codec Pack Standard. Download it from a trusted source, then install it using the default settings. After the installation finishes, restart your computer so the codec changes can fully apply. Once your computer starts again, open PowerPoint and test the file one more time. This step can solve stubborn playback and import issues, especially with older or unusual media formats. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix PowerPoint error 44, start by checking the file format, then convert unsupported media to MP4, MP3, or WAV. Keep the media file in the same folder as your presentation, and install the missing codecs if needed. One of these steps usually fixes the issue, and in most cases, the format conversion is the fastest solution. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.